Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to change language in Facebook. Now let's begin. On any browser of your choice, simply type facebook.com and hit on enter right now. Well, as you can see, I've already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in right now. Right now, we simply want to change our language. At the top right, here's your profile icon right here on the navbar. Just click on it and something like this will open up. From here, simply scroll down and you will see something like Settings and Privacy. Just click on it. And from here, among all these options, here's the language settings right here. Just click on it. Again, something like this will open up. You can directly change the language from here. You can also view all the settings available. I'm gonna opt out for the second option, that's View All Settings. Now you're gonna be redirected to a page like this. It's gonna give you lots of options such that you can change your app language. That's account language right here. There are multiple options available for post from friends and pages. Simply change to whichever language you wish. For now, I'm simply gonna change the account language. I'm gonna click on this button right here and select the language of my choice. Once you click on your language, it's gonna ask for your confirmation. Simply click on OK. Well guys, that's it. As you can see, we have successfully changed the language. It's as easy as that. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.